Hey guys, it's your boy Anton back with another video. You know how the thing go. But yeah, today we back with another hair video. Even though I barely got hair, but we ain't watching that. We about to do a split dye, kinda sorta type thing today. So yeah, first we gotta bleach it. Yeah, so let's get to mixing.
Underneath the rising sun,
I want something just like this.
So since I'm only doing half of my head and only half of my head have hair on it, I'm gonna be using this small little thing because I don't need much. Also, I think, yeah, let's just no. First, I gonna grease around here because I just cut my hair like literally just 5 minutes ago, and I don't want it to like burn my scalp right here. You know. I only need to do like half. Should I go around? Yes, I think I should. So that's what I'm gonna do. Go around. Yeah. I mean, if this is gonna protect my scalp from getting burned out, and I already have this on my hair, would that mean it won't dye my hair? Like, it won't bleach it? You know? Like, does that make sense? I don't know. But I put that on my hair. I put Vaseline on my hair earlier. That's what I do. Because I don't have grease. I pour. Yes. Pour. Okay, so half of my already think I'm so yeah. Okay, so let's do this. Like I don't know if y'all can see it, but I kinda like outline in my head, like I like take the comb and I just, you see, so I could know where to thing. But yeah, this. Ooh. I start from the front. I thought somebody was barbecuing. Burning, mate. Oh fuck, I put it back on my head. What in the actual Father Jesus? Okay, so yeah, get into it. I think there's still too much bleach, but who cares? Like, who cares? I mean, you know, I don't care. Cause at the end of the day, honey poo poo child, I am an actual retard. This way too much bleach I mix, y'all, but it doesn't matter. Cause I just can lather all of it on my hair. And they always making noise around each other. And this girl like 7. And my Grammy like 50, 58. Fun fact, ever since I've known my Grammy, she's been 52. And only for the past 2 years, I've known her actual age. That's crazy, ain't it? Ooh. Haters on my body, she can move. Period. Period, young man. She still have a bit.
And I oh.
We can pretend like I say that. We can pretend like I say that. Oh shit! Why? Oh! The scent hit my eye. And I know eyes ain't supposed to smell, but I feel that shit. Like, I felt that. Now to put more on. You know what I'm thinking? Like if I should do like half of my thing on. You know? I think I want to do my eyebrow. I want to do my eyebrow. I feeling this. Oh jeez. If I put this on my eyebrow, I can loosen my eye. I can lose my eye. That's how I feel. Y'all think 20 minutes is enough, but it's the turn blondie. Yeah. But yeah, if y'all haven't noticed, I'm wearing my signature my signature bleacher crop top. If you guys would like to, you know, buy one, purchase one, my merch will be on sale in the next never. Be right back.
A few moments later.
So your boy is back. As you can see, my beard, goatee, whatever this is, has lightened a little bit. Yes, and as you can see through the plastic that my hair is very light and yellow. Yes, yes. Let's take it off to see. It's been 10 minutes. Yeah, it's been a very short 10 minutes. This is very yellow. Now that my plastic head wrap is back on, we wait another 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
But yeah, it's been another 9 minutes. Like right here is like burning. I don't know why, because like ain't no bleach there, but I know I like use a razor and you know stuff. So let's see again for the second time. And she is still yellow. She's still yellow, y'all. Very yellow. Very not blonde. Just can accept the yellow because the color going over it anyway, so yeah, be right back. In all honesty, I don't hate it. I love it. It's very good. Now all we gotta do is put the color on it because I ain't leaving it like this, even though I want to, you know. It's kind of cool, you know, because then when you go like this, bam, and then when you go like this, bam. See what I'm saying? Yeah. Now to add the color. Do it on my thingo. This thing head, yeah, that, and just rub it in with this glove. Wow. Wow, guys. Like this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. I love it. I love that. Especially for me, you know? I love that for me. There was something I was gonna do. Yes, look at the back. Look at the back. Oh fuck, I'm tripping. See, what I can do is just do it on my hand for the back, you know, because I don't have eyes in the back there. Yes, and I have the whole, the mirror. This is like a really nice red. I like that. I really do. It's nice and poppy, if that's a word. Bright. Vibrant. Yes, that. Can't forget this part. Hey, daddy. Oh man, this is good. This is fun.
This is fine.
I dye my hair every week. If I had the money. Cause these shit expensive, buddy. Oh, this is nice, and the line's so straight. Like I really did that, you know. I really did that. I really did that. I can't wait to see how this washes off and if this stay red. Period. Period, 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 period. Mmm. 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 Okay, let me take off this glove and then go wrap my hair.
2 hours later.
So we are here after, I don't know how much hours. I didn't record the last part and then rinse this out. I didn't brush my hair, I didn't lay down, I didn't do a bunch of stuff, and then yeah, I just decided to record this now while I was editing the actual video because I was missing like an ending part. So yes. As you can see, my hair is looking rather dashing, if I do say so myself. Oh man, I really like this though. Like, it's really nice, very poppy. Poppy, and you know, vibrant. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Your boy, see yo, there's 2 videos in 2 days. You can't get no better than that, dog. Like, you know, bear with me, dog. Bear with me. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Oh! No!